Well, it's the next day. We finally got daylight again, and as you can see, I'm back up on the roof. We ended up having to move the satellite base over more towards the southwest corner of our roof. We had that up on the ridge originally, but as you can see, there's some fairly decent sized trees behind us there. And right now, because they don't have full coverage on all the satellites, the dish is spending a lot of time pointing toward the north. And if you look at the Starlink website where they offer service, you'll see that a lot of the kind of the band of service across the US is more toward the upper 1/3 of the country. And so I think we're more toward the southern edge of it right now. So our satellite dish is spending a lot of time pointing up toward the north, which just happens to be where some of the biggest trees are. So we ended up having to move it down to the corner there behind me. The Starlink app has an obstruction checker. Basically, it taps into your camera and then it shows you basically where your dish is going to be pointing a lot of times. And you can kind of use that and look around your horizon for obstructions. So it's pretty handy. And using that, I found that that location there for right now is going to be the best location for our dish. Going forward, they're putting up tons of satellites, I think like 60 every time a rocket goes up. And I'm seeing that about once a week. So they're dumping a ton of satellites into the lower atmosphere. So I think we're going to start to get better and better coverage. Right now we are in beta, so we knew that we were going to have some of these issues. And so, really not Starlink's fault. We knew that there were going to be some issues initially. But overall, the speed has been really good. They're still working on some infrastructure, still doing some upgrades in their system as they continue to expand. So I think over time, we're going to see faster and faster speeds. Last night when we had a good connection, I was able to get, I think about 40 or 50 megs on the download and like 22, 23 on the upload. So already about double on the download what we were getting with our copper DSL and like 10 times what we were getting on the upload. Our upload is really, really slow with our DSL. So I'm going to be able to get more of these videos up faster. I just ran another speed test and we were getting about 60 on the download and then around 10 or 12 on the upload. Yesterday I saw a peak of about 22 megs upload. And so I think once we get things stabilized with our, the new positioning on the roof here, I think we're going to see really good reliability. And again, as the network continues to build out, we're going to see faster and faster speeds. I've seen some areas of the country where they're reporting as much as 200 megs a download. So I'll continue to watch the numbers and post some regular updates to our Instagram and keep you guys posted on how this system's working out. I'll come back at some point and do an update video with you, let you know about the reliability and everything else. But I think this is going to be a great option for rural America. Eventually the country will get fiber built out and a lot of the last mile stuff will be updated. But for now, I think this is a fantastic option for those of us living in more rural parts of the country or beyond that last mile service. And as the system expands, it's going to be a fantastic option for the developing world where there really is no internet infrastructure. So kudos to Starlink and Elon and Tesla and SpaceX for getting this program going. I know they're taking a huge loss right now, building this program out. And, but anyways, I think it's worth the investment. So keep you guys posted. That's it for this episode. Be sure to hit that subscription button if you haven't already. And that way we can keep you updated with all the other projects we got going on around the property here. And also, if you got any comments or questions about this system, any of the installation, costs, service issues, anything like that, let us know in the comment section down below. Give us a like if you would, please. And as always, keep sharing that channel. We've got tons of new episodes coming out. I'm starting to really get back into our content, get those videos updated and getting them uploaded to the system, especially now that we got faster internet at home. Before I was having to do it at the office after hours, so that was kind of a pain. So anyways, see you guys again real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.